performance in Pennygroes de Carnarvon, the RS3, and we're going to go and put it on the rolling road, because Audi always understate the horsepower figures on an RS3. Stock horsepower, 394. Sean's going to get the car on the rolling road and do his bits with his laptop. We're going to guess what the horsepower is. So my guess is going to be 412 horsepower.
399.
Latest RS cars have got something like a safe lock on it, so you've got to go into it, I'm guessing sort of decode it. So the RS3 5-cylinder engine, very unique sound. The firing sequence, it's like a 1, 2, 4, 5, 3 sequence, which is what gives it that unique burble. Run number 1. First run, Vaughan said it's slipping on the rollers. Guessing is it's got so much horsepower. For run number 2. 2 runs done, we're going to just let it cool down and then we're going to try a third run. We've got more than the stock claimed horsepower figure on run 2. That sounded insane. But the final figure was 401. Who was the closest horsepower guess? And Morgan, what did you say?
I said 402.
402. So Morgan wins the spin in the GT3. 5-3 sequence, which what gives it that distinctive humble rumble burr.